Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best owl houses is probably one of the most fascinating and rewarding ways to contribute to wildlife conservation and observe these majestic birds up close, providing a safe and comfortable nesting space for owls while enriching your backyard habitat and offering unique educational opportunities for both children and adults, allowing you to witness the wonders of nature unfold right before your eyes. Number 5. JCs Wildlife Owl House. This owl house is made in the USA by JCs Wildlife, ensuring high-quality craftsmanship and supporting local businesses. It's entirely handmade using cedar wood, giving it a unique, natural look and feel. Each one is carefully constructed for durability. With dimensions of 12 wide x 14 tall x 10.25 deep, it provides ample space for owls. Mount it 10 to 20 feet high in a large tree for best results. Made of 7/8 thick wood, it offers superior insulation, protecting the owlets from harsh weather. This thickness is crucial for their survival. The front door swings up for easy cleaning, and drainage holes in the bottom ensure proper ventilation and prevent water damage. What we like? This owl house is made from thick cedar wood, ensuring a safe and insulated home for your owls. It's also made in the USA, supporting local craftsmanship. If you value quality and durability, and want to support American-made products, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great craftsmanship, well made and feel substantial. They include helpful mounting advice and a bag of bedding material. The roof is recycled composite material that will definitely keep the water out of the house. Each house had very high quality wood that was fit nicely together. The design with a flip-out front will make them much easier to clean at the end of the season than my current houses. Very well made and looks like it should last forever. I did use long drywall screws instead of the ones included just to make it easier to drill into the tree. Number 4. Screech Owl Cedar House. This beautiful owl house provides a safe and comfortable home for screech owls and other birds. It's crafted from durable, weather-resistant cedar wood. Installation is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary mounting screws, and its compact size makes placement simple. This isn't just a birdhouse, it's a work of art. It's handmade from natural cedar wood using time-honored techniques. Its generous size is perfect for screech owls, saw-whet owls, kestrels, and many other birds. The materials are wildlife-friendly and sustainable. Cleaning is easy thanks to the convenient clean outdoors. Keep it in top condition for years to come. We stand behind our product. Contact us with any questions or concerns. Our customer service team is here to help. What we like? This owl house is easy to assemble and made from eco-friendly cedar wood. Its spacious design is suitable for various bird species. If you are looking for a simple, sustainable option that's perfect for a variety of birds, this is the one for you. What people say. All the parts were undamaged. The instructions say that the longer screws are used for affixing the house to a tree pole, so you use the shorter screws to build the house. The quality of the box is very nice. No boards were warped and the finished assembled box looks great. Easy to assemble and it's only been up for 6 months, but it's held up great. Number 3. Owl House Wooden Birdhouse Kit. Introducing a high-quality birdhouse kit, crafted from 100% natural cedar wood. It's built to last, resisting corrosion and fading thanks to its durable waterproof paint. This kit is designed for simple and convenient assembly. All necessary mounting screws are included, and an optional perch is provided for your feathered friends. The spacious interior provides ample room for owls and other small birds. It's perfect for screech owls, barn owls, and kestrels. Cleaning is a breeze with the secure latch. Easily open it to remove droppings, ensuring a healthy and inviting environment for your birds. Hang it outside your window, in the garden, or near your patio. Watch birds flock to their new home, creating a delightful experience for all ages. We've included plenty of cedar shavings to attract owls and other birds. These shavings provide a comfortable and natural nesting material. What we like? This pre-built owl house comes with cedar shavings to attract owls and is easy to clean. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. If you want a ready-to-hang option with added features to attract birds, this is a great choice. What people say. Solid box and good quality. Everything fit. Came quickly, as described. All holes lined up, and lots of extra screws provided. Number 2. Owl House Real Wood. Give owls a safe and secure shelter. It's designed to protect them from harsh weather, ensuring they're comfortable and thriving. Built with durable materials, it can withstand outdoor conditions. This means it will provide a cozy home for years to come. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the large front door. It allows easy access for cleaning and maintenance. While perfect for owls, it also accommodates other bird species. It's a versatile home for many majestic creatures. Ideal for screech owls and many other species, it offers a convenient and versatile housing solution. What we like. This owl house provides a safe and secure shelter for owls, built with durable materials for long-lasting use and easy cleaning access. If you prioritize safety and longevity for your feathered friends, this is the ideal option. What people say. Looks sturdy and spacious. We hung this 20 feet up in a tree and it was easy to place. Arrived on time with all screws and plenty of bedding material. Nicely packaged. House is pre-assembled and ready to screw into a tree about 15 to 20 feet high. Just be careful not to over-tighten the screws or you may split the back panel. I added an L bracket, not included, under the box for added security. Add 3 inches of bedding material and point the opening to any direction but north and towards a field. Make sure the owl has clear flight to the box without limbs to block them. They do like a lower branch below the box to perch on. Light in weight so you can get it up in a tree. Beautiful workmanship. Also comes with lots of cedar shavings. Number 1. Screech Owl House. It's bigger than most other owl houses, providing ample space for owls and other birds. The extra perch offers a great observation point, and you can easily add or remove it as needed. This house is handcrafted from 100% natural cedar wood with a waterproof coating. It's built to withstand harsh weather and provide years of use. Hang it in your garden, backyard, or near a window to enjoy watching birds seek shelter and food. It's a great addition to any bird lover's space. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and all the necessary hardware. Pre-drilled holes make assembly quick and effortless. We stand behind our product. Contact us with any questions or concerns, and our customer service team will respond within 24 hours. What we like. This spacious owl house is made from premium cedar wood, offering a large interior and easy assembly. The added perch provides an observation point for owls. If you want a high-quality, easy-to-assemble house with extra features, this is for you. What people say. Product is well built and easy to install. All quality materials. The house is sturdy and well designed, but the mounting system, or lack thereof, is bad. The kit provides 4 mounting screws which are nowhere near long enough to securely mount the owl housel. Lightweight but sturdy. You need a lightweight house because it must stay secure when mounted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.